Today's experiment is about acidity, or pH. For this experiment, you'll need to gather these things: red cabbage, some eggs, a frying pan, a plate that's microwavable, a chopping knife, paper towels, and some bowls. You may also want a measuring cup. First, we're going to cut up the red cabbage. We only need about 1/3 of a cup of cabbage for this experiment. Put your cabbage on a microwave-safe dish or bowl and microwave it for a minute or 2. Allow the cabbage some time to cool. Then, take some and wrap it in a paper towel. Now squeeze the cabbage that's in the paper towel to produce a small amount of cabbage juice. Now we're going to separate our eggs. Gently crack the egg on the side of the bowl until you get a small hole. Then use your thumbs to pry the two halves of the shell apart. Pour the yolk back and forth from one half of the shell to the other, gently, and the white should fall into the bowl while the yolk remains in the shell. Then gently set the yolk aside to use for later. Now we're going to add our red cabbage juice to our egg white. When we stir these two things together, you should notice a reaction. Did you see it? There's a color change. The egg white now appears to be a bluish green. So what's going on? The purple pigments or color in the red cabbage are called anthocyanins. Anthocyanins change color in response to changes in acidity, or pH. Red cabbage juice is purplish red under acidic conditions, but changes to a blue-green color under alkaline conditions. Egg whites are alkaline, so when we mix the red cabbage juice into the egg white, the pigment changes color. Cooking our egg whites will not change the pH, so we can make a green fried egg. Add some of our now green egg whites to your frying pan. Then find your egg yolk and carefully add it to the rest of the egg. Wait for it to cook, and you should have a green fried egg. The more cabbage juice you add, the more noticeable the effect will be. But be mindful, the cabbage juice will affect the flavor. Once you have your green eggs, all you need is ham.